dapat sabihin mo sa akin na ang dami tayong dapat edit natin, Bebe Capro, because we don't edit and we have too much video. That before anything else, good morning everybody. I am drinking the water with cloves. This is with the cloves. Yan. So hot water, pero medyo na maligam-gam na. And that's it. That is for the video, for today's video. Such a baby boy. Such a baby boy. Ang ating kape ay litok-tok na lang kasi nanigas. The coffee is very hardened. For today's video, our breakfast is only very simple and very mag-breakfast tayo ng piaya. Pero bebe, no? Mag-i-edit tayo at mag-upload tayo ng baby boy. Because, shout out po. Look at my, ano po, baka naman po, meron dyan. Look at my headset. Yan. Headphone pala. Look at, ano na lang po yan. Medical bandage pa yung ginamit ko dyan. Kasi, ano pa naman to, Apple, hindi, Beats. Kaya ayaw ko siyang i-let go kasi it's very nicing. Very nicing po siya. Nakakahinayang naman kasi ang ganda ng kanyang tunog. So, anong ginawa natin? Ayan. Nagbitak-bitak na po ang kanyang yung kanyang head. Nagbitak-bitak po yan siya kasi leather po yan siya. So, nainitan. Nakatago lang naman to siya pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nasira. So, ang mahalaga meron pa namang foam to protect your ears from this one. Napakasakit. So, ayan. Ayan po. Salamat po sa nanonood. Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Ayan po ang ating headphone. Hanggat nagagamit, go. Huwag tayo magtapon. Wala tayong pambili. Yes. Ayan po, diba? Napaka-unique and very unique ng aking headphone. Oh, ha? Saan kayo niyan? Original yan. Oh, napakaganda ng aming headphone. And Casper only go outside kaya medyo ano siya, tiring. Kasi very hot outside, no? It's very hot outside. Kaya si Casper ay baka gusto nyo mag-thumbs up. Give thumbs up, my friend. My friend, maybe you want to give thumbs up. Look at my headphone. This is a very ancient headphone. Look at that. Napakaganda niya kasi Beats kaya to. Yan. Magbitak-bitak lang talaga siya. Kasi nung nagbakasyon ako, nilagay ko lang siya sa cabinet dun sa lagayan niya. May lagayan kasi to eh. Meron siyang case. Diba? Meron naman siyang lagayan pero I don't know why it's destroying. Saan yung case nito? Saan lagay dito? I don't see. Nandun pala sa may lagayan to siya eh. May lagayan to siya. Yan. So, mag-e-edit tayo, di ba? Mag-e-edit tayo for this video. Bakit? Kasi naman eh, hindi ko na nakikita. Yun. Yung created highlights, hindi ko siya nakikita. Kaya napipindot ko yung ano. So, created highlights tayo. Ayan, shout out to all the people who's watching.